this was shared with me so I can share it with you. This is a cooking tray to be able to make madeleines. So I'm gonna get this open here. It's actually a set of 2. So you see they're kind of a shell shape, so you can use those for your Madeleine cookies. So this is a set of 2 for your Madeleine cookies. And I'm going to improvise because I am not going to make Madeleines today. So I'm going to do a little cheat. First thing I'm going to do is I want to rinse these off because I always like to rinse off a new set of pans. I'm going to use these Madeleine trays and I am going to make some sugar cookies. So I got my sugar cookie dough there. I'm just going to make enough to put in here. So I'm just going to make a little personal size of sugar cookies there using the Madeleine tray. And we'll get this going for 10 minutes. So there is what they look like on this side. We'll let them cool a bit and then we will look at the shell behind them. So here you can see they do have the little ridges there in the sides. I did overcook these a little bit and they are sugar cookies, not spongy Madeleines. But you can see there it did leave the ridges just like that. So I believe they would make some great Madeleines for you with those little forms. So check them out. That's something you're looking for.